हेलो राइडर्स, वेलकम टू द चैनल राइड टू फिटनेस। होप यू गाइस आर फाइन एंड राइडिंग डेली। तो आज मैं राइड करने वाला हूँ गोवा की तरफ, लेकिन मुंबई से गोवा नहीं, बट मेरे नेटिव प्लेस सावंतवाड़ी है, वहाँ से मैं राइड करने वाला हूँ गोवा की तरफ। एंड टिल इवनिंग आई वुड बी रिटर्निंग होम। So you guys sit back and enjoy the beautiful view of Goa. Also don't forget to support the channel by subscribing to it. So guys, sit back and enjoy this full video. So this was around 5:30 when I started the ride, and as you can see it was quite dark. काफ़ी अंधेरा था, but थोड़ा बहुत visibility था, and it was quite chilling in the morning. So I've already done almost 10 kilometers, and I've taken a route from Shiroda, not traveling from the highway because the internal route is really great. So it's amazing while riding because I started in the morning at 5:30 and it was all foggy and a lot of dew drops got on the camera as well. As you can see now also, you might be able to see a lot of fog over here. The climate is really cool and amazing, and you can see I have carried my bag also with me. So I'll be staying for one night because the whole day I will be traveling to Goa. So on the same day I won't be able to return. That's the reason I'll stay at Goa in the night, and then in the morning I'll return for my at my native place. So in Goa I'll be riding to some places like Anjuna Beach and the line going down towards south. Then maybe Dona Paula and Basilica of Bom Jesus. So I'll keep recording all this, and you guys can enjoy. So right now there is a climb. I'll stop the recording and concentrate on climb. So जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं ये एक इंटरनल रूट है। ये एक्चुअली हाईवे भी नहीं है और कोस्टल रूट भी नहीं है। ये एक अलग रूट है जो विच गोज़ फ्रॉम एंड विच पासेस थ्रू ऑल द विलेजेस। और ये मैंने इसीलिए चूज़ किया था बिकॉज़ यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक फ़्लो बहुत ही कम है, एंड सो ज़्यादा सेफ़ है राइड करने में और ज़्यादा आसान हो जाता है राइड करने में। सो राइडिंग फ्रॉम दिस रूट इट वाज रियली ब्यूटीफुल। आप देख सकते हैं बहुत सारे विलेजेस है, बहुत सारे घर है आजू बाजू में। सो इट वाज रियली पीसफुल। So I have to reach at Chapora Fort. That's the first destination I'll be visiting, and I've got a climb to ride on. So ये काफ़ी लंबा सा एक डाउनहिल था after that long big climb, and till here almost 30 kilometers हो चुके थे, and it was past 2 hours since I started cycling. काफ़ी अच्छा डाउनहिल था और काफ़ी लॉन्ग डाउनहिल था आई वुड से, और डाउनहिल का मज़ा ही कुछ और होता है आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग क्लाइंब, बट द डाउनहिल हैज़ टू बी डन वेरी इफेक्टिवली। सो बॉडी को हमेशा एरोडायनेमिकली उसको मेंटेन करना होता है, एंड यू कैन रीच ऑलमोस्ट अप टू 50 to 60 किलोमीटर्स विदाउट इवन पेडलिंग वंस, बट अगेन इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द ग्रेडियंट ऑफ द डाउनहिल। आई गेस यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं मेरे स्पीडोमीटर पे ये धीरे धीरे इंक्रीज़ हो रही थी बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ग्रेडियंट। So that's the Chapora Fort, what you see from here. I've almost reached, but I won't be going there because as it is, cycles are not allowed inside. So the Chapora Fort, on the Chapora Fort, I guess two-wheelers and all are not allowed. So, and there was a huge climb, but so it's of no point going over there. So now what we'll do is I'll have a little breakfast and then I'll head to Anjuna Beach So that's my second destination for today to visit. So let's ride. So now I'll have some breakfast and then keep going. After this destination, as I told you, that would be Anjuna Beach. So trying to put the location on. Only 4 kilometers away from here. So I guess I'll reach before half an hour. And after that I have to head towards the full line towards south. That's Kalangut, Baga. And what all beaches are there? Okay. And then my end destination would be here. That's Dona Paula. Over here it is. I've arrived at the destination, that's Anjuna Beach. It was just 4 or 5 kilometers from the Chapura Fort. It's actually nearby. So because I've done all my breakfast and all, I'm fueled up, and liquid is also on. The liquid levels are top. I'm not feeling much tired. Now Anjuna Beach is done, so I'm heading towards Cinquarium Fort. So on the way I won't be visiting, but on the way सब Kalangut, Baga और बाकी के beaches भी लगते हैं on the right hand side. वो तो road तो same ही है, but at the end beaches are the same. So I'm not going to visit them individually, one by one. लेकिन Cinquarium Fort का view बहुत अच्छा है. The view is really nice, especially for photographs. So the Cinquarium Fort distance is 8.5 kilometers. $10 kilometers over, and I am reaching to Cinquarium Fort. So let's see whether cycles are allowed inside or not. I really hope they are allowed. Let's see, this person doesn't know whether their cycles are allowed or not. We'll have to check with the authorities. Allowed नहीं है? चलेगा ना, सेफ है ना?
हाँ, इधर कोई इधर नहीं जाएगी
क्योंकि लॉक नहीं है इस पे.
हम लोग इधर रहता है, उधर गेट को इसमें टच करके रखो. जो गाड़ी है बाइक है ना.
हाँ हाँ, ओके. So the cycles or any two-wheelers are not allowed in this area. But अभी वॉचमैन ने भरोसा दिया है, तो उसके भरोसे रख दिया है मैंने बाहर. So the Cinquarium Fort is done. That was the destination, which is also covered. Now let's move to another one. Okay, so the another one is Reis Magos Fort, and we'll be heading towards Reis Magos Fort. We are not going to visit that place. I'll be just riding around it. So let's see how much kilometers is there from here. Okay, it's 7.3 kilometers, and it will take somewhere around half an hour, and maybe after that I'll have lunch. So let's ride. this is the Rees Magos Fort. Obviously I'm not going to get inside the area, but this is just a view for you guys. So this is a state road which goes to Dona Paula, and it's somewhere around 7 kilometers. So I'll be reaching at that destination, and I'll wait, I'll take a break, I'll take a big break, I'll have lunch, and then return journey. So just visited Dona Paula. It is under construction, so I would suggest it's of no use visiting over here. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक अच्छा फ़ोटो आएगा बस, otherwise it's waste of time. So all the points are done of visiting. Now I'll have lunch and head back to home. The journey is still not over. Till now 84 kilometers are done. I left home at 5:30 and now it's 1 o'clock, and now I have to head home. But before that I'll have some lunch, and then I'll see how much time it takes, how many kilometers are left to reach home. See you then after lunch. I've just finished my lunch and started with the return journey. So the return journey is 62 kilometers of distance which I have to cover, and before it gets dark. And the journey's route is straight from the highway. The total time taken for this whole ride and the distance which I had covered today, I'll tell it to you later once I reach home. So finally I've arrived at the destination, I mean at my home, and it's 6 o'clock. So it's almost 12 hours I was out, and as per the speedometer it is showing as 146 kilometers. But let me check with the Strava. Okay, so in Strava it is showing as 151 kilometers. average speed never mind 15 obviously because I had taken a lot of breaks, and my moving time was 9.5, so 9 hours and 30 minutes. So I'll give all the stats on the screen.